Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tricks and Coding. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a ping pong game. Let's get started. So create a new project. I rename it as ping pong. Okay? Let me just write game here. Ping pong. So let's get started now. So delete sprite 1. We don't need that. In the backdrops, what will be a good thing is that choosing a nice backdrop. Now my favorite backdrop, guys, is for this thing particularly is this one. Okay, so when flag clicked, I think we don't need to do any code here, but in the backdrops I'm going to delete the first one. Okay, now in the sprite, choose a sprite. I'm going to choose ball. You can choose baseball, basketball, whichever one. But for my choice, I'm choosing ball. So now, guys, here in the ball, when flag clicked, let's make sure our game likely to start with 0 0. Or what if we use gravity to start with? That would be a good idea, right? Because if I were to start somewhere at the top, let's try that. So in the costumes, I'm not going to use these as costumes. I only use this and I'm just going to rename ball. Now, the next costume, paint and call it as big. Now, for some reason, Scratch, guys, this thing is what Scratch does. I don't know why it's not showing. Oh, the ball. Now, for some reason, let's just say move 10 steps forever. I don't know which direction it is, or this direction. Can you see? Even I said move 10 steps, why is it not moving now? Because it's in the edge and it's not moving. It's not doubling. Okay. So in the big, let's just now what we have to do is click these two buttons because now here is the thing. Make a big rectangle bigger than this part. You can see a white line here, bigger than this, and just make this sure it's not here. Let's try that again. Not like this. Now let me choose ball. Let's see what happens. Let's use steps by 5. It's a bit good, yeah. Can it move? No. Big ball. Okay, it's not working really perfectly. Thing is not working here, but actually in the code it works. The thing is, choose costume to big, then switch costume back to ball. Let's see that in action. Oh, did you see it went outside? Did you see that, guys? That's really cool. Now, I don't want it in this side. I'm going to start from the top. Just from the top and not for any movements now. Because we're going to here use as much as Y as you want, more than 180. So I would say like probably let's try 1000 here and it will like calculate the most possible one it could be and switch costume to ball. Let's use gravity. Use that. And actually the X. What I was now thinking is that let's just pick random from minus 240 to 240. Why not? Let's just like make it different. I thought. And then yeah. So now we're going to point in direction of 180 downwards. You can see I'm using this because you can now see it says down here and it's 180. Yeah. Now you can see when you're starting, it's like really a bit thin. So what we're going to do again is to love the technique. When we move, we always switch to this one, then ball. Now see, it's somewhere and now it comes. I don't want that much. So let's start. It's from 400 or 500 something. So let's start with 500. Let's start with 250. Would that work? Let's see. Is it showing? Yeah, this is okay, fine. It's perfect. It's perfectly what I wanted. Okay, so we go. And here we go. Now, what we're going to do here is to let's use some movement. That's the big thing. Not this movement, but like a ping pong movement. First, we need a paddle. Okay, so choose a sprite. You would have a paddle here. Let me search. I guess. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. That's the paddle. You can change color, whatever you want. But I'm going to use it right somewhere here. So this is my thing. When flag clicked, go to this. X doesn't really matter, but the Y, this is the sticked Y. We're going to use this Y for the whole time. So 160. I'm just going to use this. This would be a good thing and good sign. And here, forever, set X here to the mouse X. Let's just see. See. Now the ball is going down the paddle. Yeah. So because the paddle doesn't have the power to push the ball upwards back again. What should I do then? You might ask me. Well, here's the thing. Once we do that, repeat until this is the starting game. Repeating until you touched. Repeating until touching the paddle. Then we go up. Then we do the other code until you're touching the paddle. We do this step, and then that's the part where now yeah, it's 10 stops because it doesn't have any work to do. But what we have work for the ball, we're going to give some work to the ball. So forever then, after this, I'm going to use a repeat. Not a repeat, sorry, forever. Forever it repeats and loops for every time, forever, like infinity. But at some point we might make it stop. Okay, so here in the forever, what we are going to do is first of all we are going to turn 10 to 50 degrees, and then 10 to 90 degrees. Let's just use 10 to 135. 15. Let's use this degrees. Let us see the in action. Then it turns. Then you move forever. If touching paddle, then what we do is turn 45 degrees. Okay, and let's use this. If touching edge, okay, if touching edge, what do we do? And we need to also use the move. So let's just use the move 10 steps. That's what it's stuck then. Yeah. So if on touching edge, turn this thing again. Okay. So this is what we're going to use again. Use them. Let's go. Let's see. See, this is the thing. So this is how we do that, guys. You can see, but when it like touches here, it's a bit problematic. So we need for some code of that too. But before that, I think let's do a edge bounce thing. If one edge bounce comes, now it starts the game. Now if it touches the floor, there should be something, yeah. It touches the floor, we all know it's game over. So that's the last code for today. So what we are going to do is, if touching the end. Now if you use a touching edge, well, it's not good enough. We need to make a red line. So in here, search for line as the red line. Now we need it somewhere here. Okay, I want it to be somewhere like here. Okay, this is what we're going to do. So this is my red line. This is okay, good. And now if here we go, here there is, if touching line, then stop on. Yes, here too. As here we go. Out, yeah. Let's go. It's out. Yeah. So you can see this is how the game is. And let's just do this first, then that. Yeah. So hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye.